Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi Robot can't hold a charge and dies halfway through cleaning, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a failing battery or poor connection to the charging port. If left unrepaired, it not only disrupts your cleaning routine but could also lead to permanent battery damage over time. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a replacement battery, and a clean workspace. Begin by ensuring your robot is powered off and placed on a flat surface. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws on the underside of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the housing. Inside, locate the battery. You'll see it connected by a couple of wires and possibly secured with additional screws. Disconnect the wires gently, taking care not to pull on them too hard. If you notice any screws securing the battery, remove those as well. Now, with the old battery removed, take your replacement battery and place it in the same position, securing it with screws if necessary. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached and oriented correctly. It's important to avoid touching any other components while doing this, as they can be delicate. Once everything is securely in place, carefully align the casing back together. Press down gently until it clicks into place, and then reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. After reassembling, it's time to test your robot. Place it on the charging dock and allow it to charge fully before testing it out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make sure to regularly clean the charging contacts on both your robot and the dock. Additionally, try to not leave it on the charger for prolonged periods when not in use, as this can wear down the battery over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.